those specific laws expect you to maintain certain records. We only borrow those records. Based on those records, we come to the figures which you need to be paying. Because there is no record as such prescribed under EPF Act. But there are other laws which expect you to maintain those records. We use those records to enforce or ensure the compliance under our act. Basic, most important records are your attendance, salary, wage, and the balance sheet, P&L account dealing with salary, wages, and wherever that particular breakup of your staff related expenses are there. Those are the areas which we look back with reference to the records which support those entries in the books of accounts. The biggest challenge is in cases of contract labor.
Yes.
The biggest challenge comes there because you maintain a record, you issue a contract, and you pay a bill on a lump sum basis. The burden of maintaining certain records then shift to the contractor. So that's where the whole problem starts. Because in normal service industries, yes, you hire workers. But there are some industries you engage him for a particular job, and the job is a total on a turnkey basis. You are not able to identify what is the labor component in that, what is the material component in that, what is the any other components involved, the tax components and all that. It comes as a basket. You say you would pay 1 lakh total for this work. There is no specified how many people are to be engaged or what is the wages to be paid to those guys who are engaged. And there's no way you have any control over that. That guy may be able to get it done by 1 person or 10%. You only specify this work has to be done in this many days and for this cost. And you also probably specify the standard of materials to be used. So these are the cases where a lot of challenges and disputes between the employers and the organization come. Because the employer says this is a material-based job, the labor, we don't have any labor records. And the contractor says, I have done on a work basis, so I have not maintained any record. But all of you should know that being HR professionals, Contract Labor Act. So, and the definition of employee under EPF Act. If you read the definition of employee under EPF Act, it's a very, very wide. It is so widely worded that anybody under the earth can be made to be an employee of yours.
Yes.
What does the definition say? It says any person engaged for wages directly or indirectly by or through a contractor in or in connection with business of the establishment.